In this video, let's add a few records into the database using the Rails console. We can open up the Rails console by typing in Rails C. Now we have the console. So to create a user with an instance within the user class, we can type in user1, user. We can do it by two ways. We could do user.new or user.create. So for this example, we'll start off with user.new, and that creates an instance within the user class. So everything is still nil because we haven't given any attributes, any strings, and it hasn't saved it into the database. So let's add in a first name. So user1.firstname. Let's name him Harry. Awesome. Now let's add a last name. Awesome. And email address. And his age, let's say he's 16. Cool. Now, we aren't done here. With the .new method, we have to actually save it into the database. So if we type in user1.save, that actually saves it into the database. And you can see how it was inserted into the user table. Awesome. But when we look for information within the database, it actually comes up in this format, which isn't easily readable. So what we can do is actually add in a gem called herb. Let's just add it somewhere here, herb. Save that. Okay, now that we added the gem herb file, let's restart our console, and we need to enable herb. Awesome, so return true. So let's pull up our user that we first saved. Now it displays a nicer way of looking at the database using these tables here. Awesome. Now let me add in a few more users, and then we'll be right back. Okay, I added a few more users into the database. So let's take a look at our database. Oops. Okay, so now we have a few more users within our database, and we can see all the information. It's nicely organized into the different columns here. So next on our assignment, it wants us to add in validations. So let's add in validations in the next video.